Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7 and will be presenting about titanium oxide in cosmetics. And these are the contents of our presentation. We have introduction of titanium oxide, main form of titanium oxide, why it is used in cosmetics, what makes it attractive, type of cosmetics consists of titanium oxide. For example, we have sunscreen, loose powders, lipstick, the safety of cosmetics, opinion of SCCS about titanium oxide, and lastly is resource. For introduction, titanium is the most common element in Earth's crust. When titanium interacts with oxygen, it will form titanium oxide. Titanium oxide, known as titanium oxide 4 or commonly called as titanium dioxide. Titanium oxide is a fine, white powder that provides a bright white pigment. It has been used for a century in a range of industrial and consumer products. There's a lot of product consists of titanium oxide in it. For example, we have paint, plastic, coated fabrics, textiles, cosmetics, and many more. But our group chose to focus more about titanium oxide in cosmetics. The next one is the two main form of titanium dioxide. As we can see here, we have two main form of titanium dioxide. The first one is primary form, which is non-nanometric, and the second one is nanometric. What is defined as primary form of titanium dioxide is it is a pigment-grade titanium dioxide. The pigmentary form makes use of titanium dioxide excellent light scattering properties. For a range of applications require wide opacity and brightness. Basically, they use pigment grade of titanium dioxide to make loose powder. The second one is nanometric. Nanometric is smaller in size compared to non-nanometric. It is defined as an ultra-fine nanomaterial product. It has different properties compared to pigment-grade titanium dioxide, such as transparency and maximum ultraviolet light absorption, which are required in cosmetic sunscreen. Okay, why titanium oxide is used in cosmetic is it can thickening, whitening, lubricating, and act as sunscreen ingredient. The next one is it typically micronized and coated for use in cosmetic product. Micronizing make heavy filling ingredient easier to spread on skin. For coating process, it can improve application, enhance sun protection to prevent titanium oxide from interacting with other ingredients in presence of sunlight. The next one is titanium oxide is UV resistant. As we said previously, the nanometric form of titanium dioxide is used to make sunscreen. So, with the characteristic of UV resistant, titanium oxide able to protect our skin from UVA and UVB radiation.
Afternoon. Okay, so my name is Amar Marwan and today I want to present and continue that my friend present just now. Okay, so what makes titanium dioxide attractive? Okay, first the color. The color titanium dioxide use of pigment with other colors give intensity and brightness to decorative cosmetic. And nowadays we can see many cosmetic that use titanium dioxide to give the skin of the people more bright. Like we can see for the main cosmetic like Garnier Men and others, and for uh, woman cosmetic is Tati Skincare, Kubute, and more. Manufacturers of cosmetic company create many different shades to suit all skin types in. It is because different people, they have different skin type. So if they use The wrong cosmetic, their skin will gone wrong. Okay. Second is light. Titanium dioxide helps soak up oils in the skin while lending it an opacity that reduces any unwanted shine. A key selling point for any matte-based cosmetic. And third, UV. Non-pigment form titanium dioxide is a key ingredient in sun care products. This can be harnessed in cosmetics too, giving UV protection properties to creams, foundations, and lipsticks. And fourth is texture. In its non-pigment form, titanium dioxide particles become transparent, create much smoother and sheer formulation with a better spreadability. Its opaque qualities are crucial to formulations that conceal blemishes. And fifth is staying power. Non-pigment form titanium dioxide is prized for its long-lasting and waterproof properties, which is important for sun care products. Okay. Uh, and the type of cosmetics contain titanium dioxide. Actually, many cosmetic is use titanium dioxide, but we only provide three examples, which is sunscreens, loose powders, and lipsticks. Okay. For the firstly is sunscreen. Titanium dioxide in sunscreens commonly modified with other ingredients to ensure efficiency and stability. Sunscreen is used for protect skin from UV rays, uh, like uh, sports, an athlete uh, is commonly use this sunscreen because they always train exercise uh, under the sun or UV rays, so they will use sunscreen to protect their skin. Titanium dioxide acts as UV filtering ingredient. It is helped to prevent longer-term health effects such as skin cancer, premature skin aging, and eye damage. Like I said just now, many athletes nowadays is use sunscreen because they want to protect their skin from uh, these problems. Nanoscale titanium dioxide becomes transparent to visible light. Nano titanium dioxide does not reflect visible light but does absorb UV light. It is an enable transparent barrier protects the skin from the sun. Okay, next is loose powders. Pigment grade titanium dioxide is used in some cosmetics. It is to aid in hiding blemishes and brightening the skin. Titanium dioxide allows for the use of thinner coatings of makeup material for the same desired effect. So actually loose powders is used commonly by the woman because they want to have a brightness skin. So uh, and we can search many popular product of loose powders. And lastly is lipstick. Titanium dioxide is a Titanium dioxide is a mineral famous for its natural SPF factor. It is it is an inert flat oxide that provides for opacity in lipsticks and foundations. If used too heavily, it will leave your skin pale and chalky. It has natural UVA and UVB protection. Its fine grain allows skin to breathe and have a healthy exchange with the environment. In lipstick, it helps to add color to the lips because it provides opacity. Okay, this cosmetic lipstick too always used by the woman because the woman they want to show their pretty or something what uh, they will use their lipstick. So with lipstick, their mouth can be more pretty can be more bright with the lipstick. So the lipstick we can see many different colors like pink, red, brown, and more.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Ashraf and I'll be presenting about the safety of titanium oxide. It can both be safe and unsafe depending on its use. For example, titanium dioxide, which is used in sunscreen, is a much safer option than conventional sunscreen chemicals like oxybenzone and octinoxate. But it is also unsafe when it is in nanoparticle size, because when you inhale titanium dioxide in nanoparticle size, it can possibly cause cancer. Um, Due to this, we must people that uses makeup must choose brands that are nanoparticle free and do not inhale the product when using powdered makeup to ensure that they do not contract cancer.
Okay, next. Opinion of the Scientific Committee on Consumer Safety, which is SCCS. So, the safety assessment has shown that the use of pigmentary titanium oxide in loose powder up to maximum concentration of 25% in a typical face makeup application is safe for the general consumer. So it needs to be noted that these conclusions are based on safety assessment of titanium oxide in the context of possible classification as category 2 carcinogen. So this means that the conclusion drawn in this opinion are applicable to the use of pigmentary titanium oxide in a cosmetic product that may give rise to consumer exposure by the inhalation route, such as aerosol, spray, and powder form product. As such, the opinion is not applicable to any pearlescent pigment because of the composite nature of such material, of which titanium oxide is only a minor constituent. So, to add, in the SCCS opinion, the use of pigmentary titanium oxide in a typical hairstyling aerosol spray product is safe up to maximum concentration is only 1.64% for general consumer and 1.0% only for hairdresser. And it needs to be emphasized that the SCCS, which is Scientific Committee on Consumer Safety, conclusion have been drawn from a very select group of cosmetic product based on the only one type of titanium oxide material, which is pigmentary, anatase, and surface treated. So it may not be clear whether this conclusion would be applicable to the use of pigmentary titanium oxide materials in other similar type of cosmetic application that may be on the market. In the regard, the SCCS is of the opinion that other application of pigmentary titanium oxide materials can also be considered safe if the margin of safety MOS calculation is performed as detailed in the current opinion, and if the resultant MOS for the combined use of different product is above 25% for general consumer and for hairdresser. So that's all. This is the resources that we search for our presentation, and that's all from us. Thank you.